Hey, hi there. Welcome back to my channel, Data Crafts. My name is Viraj, and today we are tackling a really cool SQL problem involving window functions, specifically finding out the highest fraud score by state using the dense rank. So this is a great problem if you want to if you want to sharpen your skills in window function, or you want to use ranking window function as well as common table expression. So let's go into the question. Test cases. So for this particular question, we have been provided just one table, the policy ID, the state, and the fraud score. Policy ID tends to be have unique value for this particular table, and the question states that we need to find the first 5 top percentile of claims. So I think so. Like before going into this question, I just want to clear out that the question seems a bit different and the solution over here seems a pretty different, because the first time I was solving, I based on the understanding of this particular question, it states that you need to find the highest 5 percentile by each state, right? So for example, let's take an example for the Florida one. So the first 5 percentage of the for 5 percentile could be, like, for an example, it could be 98 and 97, right? But no, they haven't provided 97 and 98. Rather, they have provided the highest fraud score along with the policy ID and the state. So the question itself says that we need to find the policy ID, the state with the highest fraud score for each state. So that's the question whole about. So let's solve into it. And for solving this question, I would be using two things. That is, one's dense function and one common table expression. Yeah. So select policy ID, comma state, comma dense. So I have previously explained in one of my videos what is the difference between dense rank, and row number. So basically, dense rank, what it does is it gives two, if let's say if there are two records that have the same value, then for that condition it gives the same rank for both those records, but it doesn't skip the next rank. Let's say you have 5 records in which second record and third record has the same rank, same value. Then what it does is it would give rank as 1, 2, 2. Then it doesn't skip the 3 value. Rather, it would use the third rank, that is 3 for the fourth record and 4 for the fifth record. But rather, if you're using a rank function, then what does rank function do is, rather than giving the next rank for the fourth record, it gives the third rank, like this: 1, 1, 2, 2, then 4. Yeah, and of course 5 records, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So over here 3 has been skipped, but dense rank, what it does is, no, it does this way: 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, this is how dense rank and rank works. And yeah, of course, a row number is basically you're assigning each record a unique value, so it's nothing, like, it doesn't help in our case. Dense rank, yeah, dense rank, what over, like, we would be partitioning it, partition by state, order by fraud score, descending order, because we need to find the highest. And let's give it an alias name as rank ID. Okay, from fraud. If I run this particular query, so see, we are getting these values 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry, I just forgot to include the fraud score. So yeah, you could see it. So we basically would be needing the highest scorers for the fraud score. So basically we need to filter it out using the where clause, and for that purpose we need to convert this particular query, like this particular table, into a query result into a common table expression. So common table expression are pretty useful when you want to use the same query result again and again, right? That's the reason why I use common table expression. It's pretty helpful for me and it's pretty easy to understand. Select, then what I would do is I would use the everything, I guess. Policy ID, comma, state, comma, fraud score from CTE. Now here's the trick, we have to filter it by the rank ID, where rank ID is 1. And the question, I guess the question states that we have to return the results in this particular order. State must be in order by state ascending, comma, fraud score is also descending. Then the last thing, policy ID, it should be ascending. Yep, now it should work. Voila, Eureka, I guess. Yeah. So yep, so basically that's how we have solved this particular problem. We have used one of the most important concepts in SQL, that is the ranking function, as well as the partition part. The second thing is we are using the common table expression for breaking down the query into much easier part. And yeah, then we are filtering out based on our result, based on our need. So that's it for this particular question. I hope you did learn something new today, and for new updates and new questions, please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel Data Crafts, and please be amazed to know much more interesting stories and questions. Yep, thank you, and have a nice one guys. Till the next time, bye bye.